What up, YouTube? Today we got some packages to open. I'm gonna put on the car and let's see what they could be. First we're gonna open this package. It's from Japanese Muscle. It's one of my first sponsorships. Hopefully I get sponsored for a lot more other cool stuff. This is gonna be a fun thing to put on the car. You gotta go, you can't really see what it says, but it says Japanese Muscle. It's a banner that I'm gonna put on my windshield. I'm just gonna have to straighten it out, of course, because it's not straight, it's a little bent. So this is gonna be going on the windshield. That's gonna make my car look a little better. And here you guys go. This is from JDM something. I got some awesome. I found out from the Eliminate Squad. My very own Sakakawa. It's awesome, dude. Let me take it out of the bag. Straight from Japan. Ooh, this thing's nice. Woo. It's like a black finish. This thing's cool. Usually you put it on, like, you know, your door handle, but I'm gonna put it in the back and have it hanging from the exhaust. So we got that. And yeah, guys, that's about it. Those are some cool stuff I got for the car, and let's go put them on. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is put the banner on. Got some Windex to clean the windshield, and a lint-free towel. What's going on here? Okay, so I got the wipers all up, and I don't know if you can tell, but my windshield is dirty, so let me clean up kind of spot that needs to be cleaned so it can stick right, and get my start just cleaning. Now I got the sticker right there just taped on. Now we just kind of have to have it straight. Totally not in the middle, so right now we're just kind of measuring it right, trying to. I think it's good right there. Measuring the letters. Okay, you guys, well, I finally got it on there, measured everything, and look, I had a few air bubbles, but you're not ever gonna notice it. And yeah, let's look at how it looks now. Boom. Car coming in nicely. Looks good. Yeah, that looks dope. Now for the JDM Sakakawa, I'm go all the way down here where you can see my little turkey hanging from this like tow hook right here. I'm gonna cut them off, cut them loose, and then switch them. Now we're down here. These things, I buy them for my kid all the time. They're called Pick-Me Pups. I probably don't have to cut it. I can probably take them off. Let me take them off and go from there. You go. He doesn't smell good anymore. Well, there's my little fella. Now these are cool because they have two screws right here, so just unscrew them out, and this thing should never come off or get ripped off or anything, because it's like some pretty good material. Also got that on there. Now how to kind of customize it, because if you can see, this goes up and this goes sideways. This goes up and down like this, not sideways like that. So I had to just kind of like loop them up and over.
Rob you out your pockets, whistle up the cold on my partners, dip and go hit my little bottom bitch.